Vino, brilliant night, brilliant night. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, feeling elated.
Didn't start off the season at best, but when you kick into the meaningful time of the season, you hit a second gear. Can you tell us about that?
Well, to be honest, is all the comments on Instagram and all the critics that motivate me. I know I didn't have the best of season in the regular season, but I know I had to put in the work so that I would come stronger in the playoffs.
Tonight, you lift the title. How does that make you feel?
It's a great feeling because, like I say, all the comments on Instagram, I remember the league post something of the top 4 keepers and everybody was like, take out Vino, Vino this, Vino that. So all I have to say is champions for the critics. Yeah.
When you saved that final penalty, what was going through your mind? And just tell us about that penalty. What was the instinct? What was going through your mind before when he was going to kick the penalty?
Well, as you know, I think they had a plan because, as you know, my good friend Melvin Doxley is on that team and he know me well. You know, we train together mostly every day when we're back home, so he know me well. And I think like they had a plan, but I know from time I touched that penalty, probably they would switch their plan. So I know I just have to just stay calm and motivate my team to keep scoring because I know I had one.
Yeah, and tonight, lifting the trophy, how does the family back home feel about that?
Not just my family, I think my whole nation is proud of me because I'm the number 1 keeper in St. Lucia and probably the only keeper to reach this far. And like, it's something big for me, like putting my nation on the map. Yeah.
As a player with a nation on your back, how much stress and pressure does that put on you?
Well, it's a lot of stress, a lot of pressure because like football is not our first sport. First was cricket. Now since Julian Alfred won the Olympic medal, then now it's Olympics. I mean, now it's track and field, right?
Yeah.
So I just have to keep doing our thing and hoping that we could switch Olympics to football.
So you're now making a mark in your nation as one of the top athletes. Even though you're not there, but you're outside representing the nation. How do you think the nation is feeling about that you're representing them so well?
Well, I think everybody's proud because the amount of people back home that was watching that game tonight, I know I couldn't let them down. I just had to do what I have to do, and probably they cannot wait for me to come back home so we could celebrate. Yeah.
Tell us what you think about the coaching staff and what the work that they have done with you, and how they made you feel welcome in Jamaica.
Well, I feel like a Jamaican because like from time I reached Jamaica, everybody was making me feel welcome. Like from time I reached, my whole teammates, everybody was just making me feel welcome. The food, everything nice. The coaching staff, they be tough on us, but you know already, nobody likes loser. So they be tough on us so that we could, for this kind of moments, so that we could win championship and that we could at least get something big. Because as you know, you're a group of youngsters looking to persevere football as a career. So you just have to keep working and hoping that something big comes up.
All right, congrats Vino, and keep waving the flag high here.
Yeah,
keep
sure.
on doing it.